Introduce yourself and your business and let us know how long you've been in the tax industry for.
So my name is Liza. I own Tax Ninja Pro as a service bureau. I've been in the financial industry for about 20 years. It is our 25th tax season, actually.
What has your experience been like with the Service Bureau Accelerator training program and the group coaching calls?
It's a really unique story. I had a mentor who was my best friend, who was in a service bureau, had her service bureau. I helped grow it. I helped her get clients, did a lot of the tax trainings, did a lot of that. And we parted ways in a very negative way. And so Baldeep, and I connected at a point in my life where there was a lot of things going on that was falling apart because of that disconnect with that relationship. And he came at the right time with the right tools and really solved all of the problems that I was going through. And he was like, you know what, you're ready to become your own service bureau. And that's how we connected when he first launched the SBA. So I was really excited about that. I found many other service bureaus and other providers who are more like vultures and that wanted to charge a percentage of my tax prep fee and was very unclear of the back office things and just didn't do enough trainings, just didn't really show me what I needed to do. So I wasn't really a service bureau. I was more like a reseller, or, if I needed to use their software, their fees were really high and they wouldn't explain things.
What do you love most about being a part of the Service Bureau Accelerator community?
What I love about the whole entire team and the SBA is that the transparency. There's no gatekeeping. Everything's explained. Everything's written down. You have a step A all the way to Z. If there's any issues, the ticketing, the support is there. You can always, count on that to get an immediate response, to get an answer to your problems. And all the tools that you need are all embedded in, the software and everything that you need. And what I love is that anything that you need that he may not have gets developed. It's like, okay, well, here you go. You wanted this, here you go. You wanted that, here you go. And not only do they give you the tools, but then there's also the blueprint step by step how to use them and how to implement them into your business so you can grow.
What was the most valuable insight, idea, or takeaway from the event so far?
So a reseller has a lot of, guardrails. Things that you can't go past. Stop, do not, collect $200 and, that kind of stuff. And things that you want to know more and be able to grow, you can't. You have one product, you sell it, you get a little bit of the profit and that's it. Whereas with a service bureau, and particularly this service bureau, you charge whatever you want, you keep all your fees. They give you all of the knowledge that you need. You get all the sales scripts, you get all of the, even how to book an appointment. The whole sales process is broken down, and not just the sales process. What do you say to a potential client? How do you market them? How to run an ad? What ad copy to use? I mean, there's literally is a no-brainer. This is a business in a box from A to Z, soup to nuts. Everything that you need is in there, and there's no one in the industry doing this. There's no one in the industry that's going to say, here you go. Not only are you service bureau and you can sell this product, but this is how you sell it, this is what you say, this is how you market it, this is exactly how to run an ad, this is just every possible aspect. And then on top of that, you have a group of like-minded individuals that are in a group setting inside, talking to each other, connecting. I mean, some of my closest friends are in this group and we collaborate. So, when you're in the tax industry, it's competition, but when you're at the top, it's collaboration. So we are in a room collaborating with other individuals that are doing big things in the tax industry and also willing to open up their back office and say, hey, this is what I'm doing. Go ahead and copy. Let's all make money together. And there's nowhere else in the tax industry that gives you that platform.
Can you share a little bit about what your support experience has been in the past and what you love about the Service Bureau Accelerator support portal and getting help from their team?
It has changed a lot of people's lives. It gives opportunities for growth that is unimaginable. You work less and make more money. You're able to now, as your kids grow, leave them a legacy. There's just, the opportunities are endless because you have the ability to mold your business around your lifestyle so it allows you to do what you want with your life.
If someone was on the fence about joining the Service Bureau Accelerator, what would you tell them?
If you're thinking about joining SBA and you're on the fence, the number one thing that you need to think about is, what are you missing in your life currently? What are you missing in your business that you don't have the solutions to? SBA has them. Again, soup to nuts, step by step, everything that you need to do to be successful, to run a business, to grow your business, how to train your staff so that you can work on the business rather than in the business, is all available by the SBA. If you don't believe me, jump on a demo call.